Thank you for taking a look at the motor truck service information. So this is the main login screen, and we have information for everybody except all the major OEMs and engine manufacturers except for Navistar International. That's the only data not available. Wiring diagrams are what is most commonly accessed. So you can see all the makes and models that they're available for. You can filter by year, make, model, and engine, and that will cherry pick and put the appropriate stuff up here in this relevant systems area. So for wiring diagrams, if you select Cummins, wiring diagrams, you got to pick the correct engine. We'll grab the ISX15. And then here it opens up here in the image viewer, color wiring diagram. We just reproduce or use what is given to us by the OEM. We do not recreate or change or alter anything. What they give us, we give to you, and Cummins gives us information that's in color. So you can just navigate these various figures here. You can zoom in to make it bigger, zoom out. You can print as appropriate. And then you just click back on the service tab to navigate between the image and back to where you were. So there's wiring diagrams for all these different vehicles. And it also has more than just engine as well. We have technical service bulletins. So you just pick again as appropriate and see all the different options that are out there. Click on the figure and it'll open up in the image viewer. Steering and suspension, there's some information for that. Specifications. Serpentine belt routing. This is so helpful to everybody. So if you have a CAT C15, for example, here's going to be your belt routing. Easy to access, and it also has the different parts identified. Lubricant recommendations. This is going to be very helpful as well. Sorted out by the different engine, also for differentials as well. Grab an Eaton here. So you can see the type of fluids that are recommended. Fluid capacities for diesel engines like a CAT. Engine tightening specifications. This is going to be your torques. And also tightening sequences as well. So again, you just pick the correct engine, say a C15. It'll give you your tightening sequence to make sure that the repair is done properly. Performance. There's some information on turbochargers, and again, it's going to be make specific. I'm going to go to Cummins, and we're going to go and take a look at diagnosis and testing. There's a whole bunch of information in this particular bucket, so we're going to skip right down using section info to the ISX15 engine. And these are going to be all your trouble codes that come up off of a scanner. And these are going to be the flow charts to fix it. So engine, oh, here you go, throttle voltage supply. And this is going to be your flow chart. So it just tells you what to check and if it's okay, not okay, and then where to go. So it's not okay, you have to go to 2A. So you go down through the figures until you find 2A, and then it tells you exactly what to do and where to go next. So that will help you resolve the problem causing the trouble code to pop on your scanner. Also has component location diagrams. So again, I'll grab a Cummins ISX15 and everything is numbered. And then you can go and through the information here that's also provided. Maintenance, tune-up procedures, compression test. We also have always scheduled maintenance. So like on a Freightliner, the maintenance schedule, if you want to make sure that the vehicle is properly maintained, everything you need to know. And then even for some severe service as well. Engine tune-up performance, again, just some more stuff that's helpful there. Engine specific information. This is important because this is an actual repair procedure, and you can notice that it has the torque included right in the procedure for the installation. This does have comprehensive repair procedures mixed in throughout. Engine electrical, that'll be like your alternator and some switches. Emissions info. Drive axles. Brakes. It's like for drum brakes, air brakes, say Meritor cam brake. And here's your procedure. So just to show you how this works, if you do filter it by a vehicle, say a 17 Freightliner, and we'll grab a Cascadia with a Cummins 15 liter. And then here's your specific information. Here's your chassis info and then also your engine info. And then just to show that we do not have the international in here, if you select international, information is not currently available. Very comprehensive, anything and everything you need to know to properly fix a truck. Anything that comes into the bay, you'll be able to repair. And so if you have any additional questions, please reach out and we'll be glad to get those answered for you. Thank you so much for your time.